I just got a terrific gift for my birthday. James Herriot's Yorkshire Village. It's a pop-up book, but it's a little more than that. Keep watching the video as it becomes the perfect backdrop for my All Creatures Great and Small Dollhouse miniatures. This beautiful book is by Jane Reynolds and Paul Wilgress, and it was published by St. Martin's Press in 1995. And my parents found it here at Caldwell Antique Mall in Muncie, Indiana. I'm pretty sure it came from the vendor Sugar Cookies Vintage booth. It's hard not to find a treat from the vendor Sugar Cookie. And it's the perfect complement to my All Creatures Great and Small Dollhouse. If you haven't seen the series, I'll link it below. The pop-up book has 4 quadrants: the farmhouse and stables, the church with the churchyard and its neighboring house, the garage with the bookshop, and another house with a garden. And last, the butcher shop and the general store. The details in this book are incredible. You can peek through the windows and open the doors to view the rooms inside. More of the interior details here. And many of the windows slide open to reveal even more details. And now I'll add a few details of my own. I made the geese, and the roses are lantana blossoms. It's lucky they're still blooming. I found this tree at a thrift store. I'm not sure why it's brown, but I like it that way. I made the various fruits and veggies and bread for the market cart while I was watching the Great British Baking Show, appropriately, and that also gave me the idea for the bunting. The geese were my favorite things to make, which is a good thing because I'll soon have to make hundreds of baby chicks. Because I mentioned in another video that my next miniature project would be set in Westport, Connecticut. It's the country house from season 6 of I Love Lucy. If it were a mini. And it currently looks like this, a little preview of what's to come. So thanks for watching my All Creatures Great and Small Village project. What do you think? It's a pretty terrific birthday gift, wasn't it? Thanks, Mom and Dad. For more big and small ideas, visit my website, ifitweremine.com.